Growing your own food is a rewarding experience, offering a sense of accomplishment and a deeper connection to nature. Among the many options, mushrooms offer a unique and delicious addition to any home garden. They come in a variety of shapes, sizes, and flavors, each bringing its own culinary delight. Imagine harvesting fresh, flavorful mushrooms right from your kitchen counter or basement. It's like having a gourmet ingredient at your fingertips, ready to elevate any dish. Not only are homegrown mushrooms incredibly tasty, but they're also packed with nutrients and can be grown year-round with the right setup. They are a powerhouse of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Whether you're an experienced gardener or just starting out, cultivating edible mushrooms is an enjoyable and accessible hobby. It's a perfect project for anyone looking to expand their gardening skills. With a little patience and the right knowledge, you can easily grow your own gourmet mushrooms at home. The process is straightforward and can be a fun learning experience for the whole family. So let's dive in and explore the fascinating world of mushroom cultivation. From choosing the right species to understanding their growth cycles, there's so much to discover. When it comes to choosing which mushrooms to grow, there are a few key factors to consider. The first is the environment you have available. Some mushrooms thrive better indoors, while others need outdoor conditions to flourish. There are several beginner-friendly varieties that thrive indoors. These are perfect for those who may not have a lot of outdoor space or who want to grow mushrooms year-round. Oyster mushrooms are known for their delicate flavor and meaty texture, making them a versatile ingredient in many dishes. They are also relatively easy to grow, even for beginners. They come in a variety of colors, adding visual interest to your mushroom garden. Whether you choose the classic white, the striking pink, or the golden yellow, they all offer unique flavors and textures. Shiitake mushrooms, prized for their rich umami flavor, are another excellent choice for home cultivation. They are particularly well suited for growing on logs, which can be a fun and rewarding project. Their robust flavor adds depth to soups, stir-fries, and sauces. They are a staple in many Asian cuisines and can elevate the taste of your homemade dishes. Finally, button mushrooms, the most common type found in supermarkets, are also surprisingly easy to grow at home. They are a great starting point for anyone new to mushroom cultivation and can be used in a wide range of recipes. Mushrooms have unique growing requirements, but don't worry, creating the perfect environment is easier than you might think. Unlike plants, mushrooms don't need sunlight to grow. In fact, they prefer dark, humid environments, similar to their natural forest floor habitat. A cool, damp basement, a spare closet, or even under your kitchen sink can provide the ideal conditions for mushroom cultivation. The key is to maintain a consistent temperature and humidity level, which can be easily achieved with a few simple tools and techniques. Section 4. Growing mushrooms with kits. Mushroom growing kits offer a convenient and foolproof way to start your mushroom gardening journey. These kits typically include a pre-inoculated substrate, which is the growing medium for the mushrooms, such as sterilized sawdust or straw. The substrate is already colonized with mushroom mycelium, the root-like structure of mushrooms, so all you need to do is provide the right conditions for fruiting. Simply follow the instructions provided with the kit, which usually involve misting the substrate regularly and maintaining a humid environment. Section 5. Cultivating mushrooms the DIY way. For those who prefer a more hands-on approach, cultivating mushrooms from scratch can be an incredibly rewarding experience. Not only does it allow you to connect with nature, but it also provides a sense of accomplishment as you watch your mushrooms grow from tiny spores into full-grown fungi. While it requires a bit more effort and knowledge, it allows for greater control over the growing process and a wider variety of mushrooms to choose from. You can experiment with different species and growing conditions to find what works best for you. The DIY method involves creating your own substrate, which is the material that mushrooms grow on. This can be made from a variety of organic materials such as straw, sawdust, or even coffee grounds. Inoculating it with mushroom spawn, which is similar to mushroom seeds, and ensuring that the substrate is properly sterilized to prevent contamination, and providing the optimal conditions for growth. This includes maintaining the right temperature, humidity, and light levels to encourage healthy mushroom development. This method requires some research and practice, as you'll need to understand the specific needs of the mushroom species you're growing, but it's a fun and educational way to deepen your understanding of mushroom cultivation. Plus, it's a great activity to share with friends and family, making it a communal and enjoyable experience. Section 6. Caring for your mushroom garden. Once your mushroom garden is established, caring for your fungi friends is relatively straightforward. Regular misting is crucial to maintain humidity levels, and you'll need to monitor the temperature to ensure it stays within the optimal range for your chosen mushroom variety. Keep an eye out for any signs of contamination, such as mold or discoloration, and address them promptly. With proper care and attention, your mushroom garden will reward you with a bountiful harvest of fresh, homegrown mushrooms.